Rightio, I'm continuing my 3,500k journey from Victoria to Perth. In my last video I travelled from Port Macdonald to Port Augusta, and since then I've managed to make my way to the start of the Nullarbor. Alright, so I finally made it to the Bunda cliffs on the Nullarbor Plain. This has been a bucket list item for years. I was supposed to do this trip about 1.5 years ago, but I ended up doing a Fraser Island trip instead. But worked out for the best because I ended up coming this way anyway. Let's check it out. Alright, that was pretty cool. Hopefully I got some good shots. Now I'm just going to keep heading up the Nullarbor and see where it takes me. So I kept driving until it was starting to get dark, so I camped at a free campground on the side of the road. The next morning I completed the Nullarbor, did a quick refuel and started heading towards my next big destination, Esperance. Alright, I've made it to Esperance. Time to see what all the hype's about. Right, I just stopped at this lookout and I can see why every traveller I ran into told me to come here. This place is absolutely beautiful. Right, so I just came across this spot. It's called the Observatory point. Let's check it out. Might go for a stroll down to the rocks. Have a look at this. Well, I think this is as good a spot as any to stop for a drink. Alright, I think I might keep walking around this, it's pretty cool. There's nothing I love more than running on rocks overlooking the ocean. Okay, I'd say this is my favourite location for the entire trip, and that's saying something because I've been to quite a lot of awesome places. Now, I'm gonna head back to the car and find camp, I reckon, unless I hit up a beach first. Just found another cool lookout. All right, this is Twilight Beach. Well, this is an awesome way to end the day. Cheers. Just stopped to check out another beach. Time for another dip in the ocean, I reckon. It's gonna be cold. It's actually pretty warm. So this is where I camped for the final night of the trip. The next day I drove 7 hours until I finally made it to Perth. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stay tuned for some Western Australia videos coming soon.